The front door of your home is more than just an entry point. It's the first impression visitors get of your house. A worn-out, outdated door can diminish your home's curb appeal and even compromise its security. For homeowners in Tampa, a front door replacement is an excellent way to enhance the overall look of your property while increasing its safety. Whether you're looking to revamp your home's exterior or upgrade its security features, a new front door can make all the difference. Why should you consider replacing your front door? Increased curb appeal. Your front door serves as the focal point of your home's exterior. When properly chosen, a stylish front door can complement the architectural style of your house, adding character and sophistication. Over time, however, the weather in Tampa, which includes intense sun, rain, and humidity, can cause doors to wear down. Wood doors may warp, paint may peel, and hardware may rust, diminishing your home's overall look. A new front door, with the right materials and design, can instantly give your home a fresh, modern look. Whether you opt for a bold color, elegant glass panels, or decorative hardware, upgrading your front door can boost your home's curb appeal and even raise its market value. Real estate experts agree that a well-maintained exterior, especially a beautiful front door, plays a key role in attracting potential buyers, should you ever decide to sell. Enhanced security. Aside from its aesthetic function, a front door is your first line of defense against intruders. Tampa's warm climate can lead to a higher rate of burglary, so it's essential to invest in a front door that's both strong and secure. Older doors, especially those made from wood, may have weakened over time, making them vulnerable to forced entry. In contrast, a newer front door built from high-quality materials such as fiberglass or steel can offer significantly improved security. Modern front doors also come with advanced locking systems and reinforced frames, making it much harder for burglars to gain entry. Some models even feature impact-resistant glass, providing an extra layer of protection against break-ins. By upgrading your front door, you'll not only improve the aesthetics of your home but also ensure that your family is safer from potential threats. Energy efficiency. Living in Tampa means dealing with high humidity and hot temperatures for most of the year. A poor quality or outdated front door can lead to heat loss in the winter and cooling loss in the summer, causing your HVAC system to work harder and increasing your energy bills. Older doors often have gaps and cracks, allowing air to seep through and making it difficult to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. New front doors, especially those with energy-efficient features, can help keep your home more comfortable year-round. Many modern doors come with weather stripping, insulated cores, and low-E glass, which help prevent energy loss and reduce your utility costs. This is especially important in Tampa, where keeping your home cool during the summer months can put a strain on your energy usage. Durability. Against Tampa's weather. The subtropical climate of Tampa can be harsh on exterior materials. The intense heat and moisture from frequent rain can lead to rapid deterioration of older doors, particularly wooden ones. As a result, it's important to select a door material that can withstand the elements and remain durable over time. Steel and fiberglass doors are ideal choices for Tampa homeowners due to their resistance to rotting, warping, and fading. These materials can endure the region's humidity and exposure to salt from coastal winds, making them perfect for homes located near the water. Investing in a front door designed to handle Tampa's weather will ensure your door remains in top condition for years to come, saving you from costly repairs or replacements down the road. Choosing the right front door for your home. When selecting a new front door, consider the design, material, and features that best suit your needs. If curb appeal is a priority, a custom door with decorative glass or a bold color can make a statement. If security and energy efficiency are your main concerns, look for reinforced steel or fiberglass doors with proper insulation. Additionally, make sure to work with a trusted Tampa-based contractor who can guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose a door that meets both aesthetic and functional requirements. Conclusion. A front door replacement in Tampa offers multiple benefits, from improving your home's curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing its security. Whether you're looking to refresh your home's look or make it more secure, a new front door is a valuable investment. With the right door, you'll not only protect your home but also make a lasting impression on guests and potential buyers. If your front door is outdated or in need of repair, now is the perfect time to explore your options and make a change that will benefit your home for years to come.